Vapor threat: 60 million malicious Android apps on Google Play. Imagine installing an app that seems harmless, perhaps a fitness tracker, a note-taking tool, or a QR code scanner, and then discovering it's been secretly spying on your data or bombarding your screen with invasive ads. That's exactly what happened with a sneaky wave of malicious Android apps known as Vapor, which managed to be downloaded over 60 million times via Google Play. Initially uncovered by IS Threat Lab earlier this year, this operation has since shown how hackers can hide behind seemingly legitimate apps, slipping past security checks and launching sophisticated malware campaigns. The Vapor saga involves over 300 malicious apps, later confirmed to be 331 by Bitdefender, that were masquerading as useful utilities. These apps used innocent functionalities to lure users, all while secretly initiating ad fraud or phishing attacks. They generated a staggering 200 million fraudulent ad bids daily, flooding the digital ad space with fake traffic. Countries like Brazil, the US, Mexico, Turkey, and South Korea saw heavy infection rates, adding an international layer to this cyber drama. What makes Vapor particularly insidious is how it slips through Google's defenses. The apps go through the standard security review because they seem legitimate at first glance. They offer real features and don't initially appear malicious. But after installation, they download malware updates from remote servers, activating hidden components that are impossible to detect during the initial review. These malicious modules turn off app icons and launch silently in the background, sometimes mimicking familiar apps like Google Voice to deceive users. Once active, they overlay full-screen ads on top of other apps, blocking any escape routes with the back button disabled, making users feel trapped. Some go beyond that annoyance, mimicking login pages for Facebook or YouTube to steal credentials or tricking users into revealing their credit card info, sneaky tricks that make you wonder how many rip-offs are quietly lurking on your phone. Notable examples include apps like Aqua Tracker, Water Time Tracker, and Be More, each hitting 1 million downloads. These apps often come from different developer accounts, each using distinct advertising SDKs, with the goal of avoiding detection even if some are taken down. Interestingly, most of these apps were uploaded between late 2024 and early 2025, with some continuing to appear until March. So, what should you do? First, avoid installing apps from unknown or untrusted sources. Check app permissions carefully. If an app asks for more access than it needs, that's a red flag. Also, regularly review your installed apps via Settings apps, and if you find any suspicious ones, remove them immediately. Running a full scan with Google Play Protect or your preferred antivirus can help catch remnants of these threats. Though Google has already removed these Vapor apps from the Play Store, experts warn that such sophisticated malware can reappear through new app versions or fresh developer accounts. Staying vigilant is your best defense, because when it comes to sneaky apps, a little caution goes a long way.